Assalamu alaikum. This is Shehab from Arabic Shehab. I welcome each one of you in this spoken Arabic structure playlist. In this video, we're going to see one another spoken structure. With this structure, we can make many sentences in Arabic language. So the structure is ash'uru bi alamin fi. Ash'uru bi alamin fi. Let me explain what it is. Ash'uru means I feel. Bi alamin means pain. Fi means in. So what is the meaning of this sentence? Ash'uru bi alamin fi ra'si. I feel pain in my head. Ash'uru bi alamin fi ra'si. Ra'si means my head. Ra'sun means head. Ra'si means my head. Next, أشعر بألم في بطني. أشعر بألم في بطني. I feel pain in my stomach. I feel pain in my stomach. بطن means stomach. بطني my stomach. Next, أشعر بألم في صدري. أشعر بألم في صدري. I feel pain in my chest. أشعر I feel بألم pain في in صدر means chest. صدري means my chest. أشعر بألم في صدري. I feel pain in my chest. Next, أشعر بألم في يدي. أشعر في ألم في يدي, which means I feel pain in my hand. Yadun means hand. Yadi means my hand. Hope you understand it. Okay, I can give you one another example. The last one. أشعر بألم. I feel pain. في in رجلي. رجلي. رجل means leg. رجلي my leg. أشعر بألم في رجلي. I feel pain in my leg. Bonus for you. أشعر بألم في عيني. What would be the meaning? Let me know in the comment box below. I will see and reply you and appreciate you. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.